Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I wanted to share with you this beautiful and functional dish towel set that I got. Now, I love this dish towel set, and the things that I love most about it are how absorbent they are. I can do dishes all day long with these towels, and they are going to last whatever I put them through. I love that they are cute and comfortable to use and look at. They come in several different styles for you to choose from. I love the size that they are. They're perfect for just throwing over your shoulder and tackling any mess that comes at you. They're perfect for cleaning and for dishes, and they're a perfect gift for someone that just needs to update their kitchen. I admit that that's the situation that I was in. My towels were awful. I think I had some from when I got married like 20 years ago, so I definitely needed to upgrade, and I'm so glad that I got these ones. I love looking at them. I love using them. They've gotten some compliments from my family. They're very easy to care for. You can just throw them in the washing machine when you're done with them and dry them. You can iron them if you need to, and they're just going to work out perfect for whatever task you need them. I love that the cotton is wonderful and soft. It's not going to be abrasive on your dishes or on your hands, so that's fantastic also. I also love that each one of these towels comes with a little cloth hook on the back of it so that you can hang them up, or you can also make a cute design on your stove and hang them so that they won't fall off. That was a big deal with me. So if you're looking for a new towel set, I highly recommend this one.
And that's my point of view.